I just got this drone and I have not yet taken it out. So let's do this. I love that it has a carrying case and it's a nice quality. I've always wanted the drone. This was gifted to me and it was kind of perfect because I was just talking about how I wanted a drone. All right, so we have the toolkits. It even comes with batteries. And then we have the actual drone itself, along with the camera that's on it. An extra, this is a battery pack. And then there's even a remote control that you will put your phone in. I cannot wait. Oh, this is what the batteries are for that are in here. And it also comes with instructions. So it does say it's for 14 plus. Definitely gonna give this a try and continue this video. I just got back inside from flying my drone. I absolutely love it. The remote control, connecting it to your Wi-Fi, everything is fabulous. And you even have a camera that you can point downwards, you can point out. I took some photos while I was playing around with it and they look great. It has a nice high resolution camera. I think this is gonna be awesome. The fact that it comes with protection, these are gonna protect it from hurting the propellers. So they're like little propeller blocks if you run into something, which I did. I wasn't too careful. Let's just say that it did not break. So it's not super fragile. Obviously you wanna be careful with it, but you don't have to worry if you have a little hiccup here or there, because I had a few and it was still running just fine. You can take videos and you can take photos. Super excited to use this with my new Bronco. I've been wanting to take photos from the air. I think it'd be a great gift for people for this holiday season. And I know that if I knew of someone that was super into photos, photography, or just creating content, this is a great addition to whatever else they're using. Happy shopping.